Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. You find yourself sitting on top of a cloud, floating lazily, looking down at the earth beneath you. You see trees, towns, hills, valleys, fields, and roads. Despite being so high, you feel comfortable and relaxed up here. You feel so at ease because you can fly. Try jumping off your cloud and flying to another one close by. Good. Easy, right? Let's try this again, but this time try flying a loop-de-loop in the air and then land on another cloud. Good job. This time, jump off your cloud and dive down fast toward the ground. Just before you reach the earth, zoom back upwards and fly across the tops of the trees and buildings. What can you see up here? What do you hear? In the distance, you see some water up ahead. Try flying so low to it that you can run your fingers over the water as you speed by. Let's see how high you can fly. Change your direction to zoom straight up. Fly so high that you pass the clouds. Find yourself looking down at the planet from the edge of outer space. It's so relaxing up here. There's barely a sound. There's no wind. There's nobody but you, feeling weightless, happy, and energized. Enjoy the quiet alone time from way up here and float around lazily, watching over our big, beautiful planet from space. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.